Welcome back to the KameGarage. In today's episode, we're actually gonna unbox a few new upgrades. These are mainly safety mods, lug nuts, wheel spacers, correct wheel spacers, because the ones we have on the G definitely are not it. They're not it, man. And here we go, guys. It has all the instructions, quality. Look at that packaging. And we did get the titanium colorway. Look at that detail, man. That's just nice. That is just nice. Here we go. We got some Enki hub-centric rings. We got the spacers for the G35. These are made specifically to spec. I believe I got the 5mm or 2.5. Garbage. These are the new ones. Garbage, not garbage. Look at the difference. This should be all we need for the G35 to clear the big brakes. That's a crazy difference right there. Let's go ahead and install our new titanium colored lug nuts. So all you gotta do is just put it in place. First, again, you want to do finger tight. The car's on the ground. Now we just got to torque them to spec. So I went ahead and did the same thing we did to the front wheels. Installed the new Muteki lug nuts to the back, the rear wheels. It's nighttime, so we're going to go ahead and skip to the morning. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned and don't miss out on the next episode of the KameGarage to see what happens with the G35. Peace out.